What's up everyone? Welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the media keeps stopping error on your Honor smartphone. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on system and updates. So go back and click on apps. Now again click on this apps option and then click on this three dot more option on the top right corner. Now from this menu tap on reset app preferences and from the pop-up again click on reset to confirm. So resetting the app preferences will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps, background data restriction for apps, and permission restrictions. But you will not lose any data by resetting the app preferences. So if you are sure, then tap on reset, otherwise tap on cancel. So resetting the app preferences can fix your media stopping error. But after doing this, if you are still facing the issue, then check for the mobile software update. So for that open settings. Now in settings scroll down to the end and click on system and updates. Now click on software update and from here check if your phone's software is up to date or not. So if it's not updated, then update the phone's software to the latest version, and after updating the mobile's software, the media not playing issue will be fixed. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is reset all settings. So for that open settings, scroll down and click on system and updates. Now in system and updates click on reset and then click on reset all settings. Now here in reset all settings again click on this reset all settings option on the bottom. So when you will tap on this option, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after doing this, the media keeps stopping issue on your Honor smartphone will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.